In this presentation, I'm going to provide you with the 3 steps you need to take to be more successful on YouTube. With 1 billion users and over 300 hours of content uploaded every minute, YouTube is an incredibly powerful tool for any business. If you can understand the platform, you'll be rewarded handsomely through increased brand awareness and sales. To be effective and become successful on YouTube, you need to follow these 3 steps. Number 1, define your choice. You need to carve out your niche and ask yourself what it is you want people to understand about your business. You won't be successful if you merely mimic what's already been successful. You can't be afraid to be completely different or put your own spin on formats that already exist. Whether you decide to do something entirely new or using a traditional format, it is essential that you approach it with a unique voice. Step number 2, develop your content strategy. One of the biggest mistakes that you can make when you consider your content for YouTube is that a viral video is the only YouTube strategy that is effective. Successful brands know that to grow their channels, they need to create new content continuously. You have to have structure and a solid strategy behind your YouTube content, or else your channel will be nothing more than a place to dump videos. Step number 3, collaborate with the community. Creators that had no budget started a majority of the most subscribed to channels on YouTube. They become successful on the platform because they were forced to focus on building relationships with their viewers and other channels. If you want to make the most out of YouTube, then you have to think like a creator and grow your channel through collaborations. Search for other YouTube channels that are relevant to your target audience and topic and start a conversation with them. Building your YouTube channel may seem a bit daunting, but if you follow these 3 steps, you'll grow your channel quickly. When you show up week after week and provide your viewers with high-quality, consistent content, you'll find success in no time. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you 4 strategies for creating a branded YouTube channel. Believe it or not, there was a time when businesses and marketers shied away from publishing content on YouTube. These days, however, YouTube has become a prevalent platform for companies to promote their brands. If you're interested in developing a YouTube channel or your current one requires a facelift, these 4 strategies will help you get started with the process. Avoid overcommitting. If you run a business, your time is probably already pretty stretched. However, if you want to have a successful YouTube channel for your brand, then you need to spend the time creating high-quality content. One way you do this without overcommitting yourself is to outsource the work. Make sure that you can find someone who is already set up and can quickly implement your strategy. Have them upload your content, develop your titles, descriptions, and tags, and have them monitor your comments, subscriptions, and put them in charge of optimizing your channel. Don't just repurpose old content. While you should post your TV commercials online, you don't want them to be the only kind of content on your channel. Television commercials are designed for a one-way medium. While your viewers might want to have the ability to view your ads on demand, if that's all you have to offer them, they will never revisit your company's channel. YouTube provides you with the opportunity to push your brand past the traditional marketing tactics and create high-quality videos that address multiple viewers and a variety of needs. Broadcast your best self. You want to make the feature video on your channel the most entertaining and best piece of content. If that means you have a funny commercial or a video that is cleverly written, then that's what you need to do. When a viewer visits your channel, you only have one chance to make an impression on them, so make sure you take advantage of the opportunity. Make a menu of content for everyone. YouTube is nothing more than a search engine for videos. You need to create tailored content that takes into consideration what consumers are currently searching for, or what they need to know about your product or service. If you build the right videos, when a consumer is searching for information about your competitors, they'll come to your video first. An excellent place to start is by creating instructional and how-to videos. YouTube has become a powerful tool that can be used in your overall marketing strategy to increase awareness about your brand. These 4 strategies will help you create a branded YouTube channel that will gain subscribers.